Good morning, Gators. This is the Gator News Network. I'm Joshua.
And I'm McKenna.
Today is Tuesday, October 17th, 2023.
It is National Pasta Day.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Students, please remember you must wear your lanyard at all times on campus. If you lose your lanyard, please pick up a replacement as soon as possible.
Students on the unserved detention list are not allowed to participate in extracurricular activities such as sporting events, dances, after-school club activities, and field trips.
That is all we have for today. If you forget something important on the announcements, you can always watch the morning announcements on our official Wellington Landings YouTube channel.
Remember to like and subscribe. I'm McKenna.
And I'm Joshua.
Have a top-notch Tuesday.
And go Gators!